Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will explain how to analyze bone implants with the Imalytics Preclinical Software. What you see here is a micro-CT scan of a bone implant inside a bone. Here you can see the trabecular structures, and this is the implant. And as you can see, the implant is covered by bone, and now we would like to measure how much of it has been covered. By the way, you can load this dataset here from the Help Tutorials menu item. Let's open some more slice views, so we can slice through the implant and the bone here in different orientations, and we can rotate it straight here using the rotate button, and now you can see that it is a cylindrical implant. We can also enable the 3D view here. There you can also see the trabecular structures, but let's close that again. You can see that it's a bit noisy here, and we don't really need that high resolution, so let's apply a Gauss filter to get it more smooth. That will make the segmentation easier. If you hover your mouse over the implant, you can see the intensity down here in the corner. It's pretty much above 5000. So let's add a temp class and apply a thresholding operation above 5000. And now we have the implant here in green. Now we can have a look in 3D, and we do see some little spots here, and we might have some holes inside, so let's apply a morphologic closing operation with 2, for example, just to close some holes. Now let's fetch this big guy and get rid of the small guys, so we add a class Implant and perform a fill region operation in the big guy. And now we can delete the temp class, and we got rid of the small ones. In the micro-CT scan you can see that at the edges we may not have fully covered the implant here, so let's apply a morphologic dilation of around 2, just to go beyond that border a bit, to not make a false measurement. So what we need now is a coating region around the implant. So let's add a class coating and apply a morphologic coat operation with a coating distance of 10, for example. And as you can see here, we have this coating, and at some places the coating does not have bone, and in some it has, and we can check the intensities. Here with a bone it's around 4000, and without bone it's like 1000. So let's add a class bone and apply a thresholding on the coating class, thresholding above 3000 to get the bone class. So now we have here bone voxels and no bone voxels, so let's create a class no bone and assign this remaining coating class to the no bone class, and now we can delete the coating class. We can have a look at the 3D view again here. So now we have here the classes no bone, and here we see the bone. Let's turn off the underlay. Now you see the implant and its coverage, and we can assign the no bone class to unclassified to have a look at the bone structure, or undo. Yeah. Now we can quantify the volume of the implant here, of the bone class and of the no bone class, and the coating volume is the sum of these two guys, and you can compute the ratio of bone to the coating, which represents the percentage of bone coverage. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps. Bye bye.